Hi, welcome to my channel. The art venture is about to start. Grab your marker and let's draw 3-layered ice cream with cherry on top. Cute little cherry. What do you think the flavors of this ice cream? Do you love ice cream? Ice cream are flavorful and colorful. The red cherry. Ooh, the first layer is purple. It could be an ubi flavored ice cream. Mmm, so yummy. The second layer is color yellow. What flavor it could be? A cheese ice cream. And there is another one, color in pink. Strawberry flavor. The ice cream will be not completed without the waffle cone. Well done! Are you ready for the next one? Hamburger! Many people love hamburger. Do you love it too? What do you like, with cheese or without cheese? I think everyone loves cheesy hamburger. Our drawing is almost finished. But wait, let me add some sesame seeds. It's time for us to color and bring this burger to life. I think the bun is a little bit toasted. But it's okay. I love toasted buns. Those are ripe tomatoes, so color them red. With green fresh lettuce, make it more colorful. Here comes the cheesy cheese, perfect in color yellow. Here's the main ingredient, the juicy brown patty. The last but not the least, the bottom bun. Oh wow, it's so colorful and looks so yummy too. And of course, don't forget the sesame seed. Great! It's all done. Here comes the next one. French fries. Make a cute box to hold those fries. You'll definitely love and enjoy this French fries drawing. It's easy and fun to draw. You can add more. It depends on your liking. Fill in the box with color red. It's time to color the fries with golden brown. To the other side will be color orange. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching.